Six Sigma is a way to make things better. It's a methodology that focuses on improving the quality of processes by identifying and removing the causes of defects and minimizing variability in manufacturing and business processes. It helps businesses run smoothly by streamlining operations and reducing waste. This leads to more efficient workflows and higher productivity. It's about finding and fixing problems. Teams work together to identify issues in the production line and come up with effective solutions. This makes customers happier because they receive better products and services. Six Sigma uses a special plan. It's called DMAIC, which stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. This structured approach ensures that improvements are sustainable. DMAIC helps us make smart choices by relying on data-driven decision-making. We collect and analyze data to understand the root causes of problems. We use data to see what's really going on. By analyzing production data, we can pinpoint areas that need improvement and take corrective actions. With Six Sigma, we can track our progress. Regular monitoring and tracking help us ensure that the changes we implement are effective. We can see if we are meeting our goals. Setting clear goals and measuring our performance against them is crucial for continuous improvement. It's about making things excellent. Six Sigma aims for operational excellence by striving for near-perfect processes, ultimately leading to higher customer satisfaction and better business outcomes.
The first step is define. What's the problem? Let's say our phones have too much static. Customers complain, we need to fix this. We write down the problem clearly. We call this a problem statement. It helps us focus on what's important. We also think about our goals. What do we want to achieve? Maybe we want fewer complaints, or maybe we want clearer calls.
Next is measure. We need to gather information. How often do phones have static? When does it happen most? We can use charts and graphs to see patterns. This helps us understand the problem better. We can see what's really going on. We also need to decide what to measure. We might count the number of complaints, or we might measure the strength of the static. Section 4. Analyze. Now it's time to analyze. This is a crucial step in our process where we dive deep into the data we've collected. We look for the root cause of the problem. It's not just about identifying issues, but understanding why they occur. Why is there so much static on the phones? We need to break down the problem systematically. Maybe the problem is the phone lines. We examine every possible angle. Or maybe it's the phone equipment. Each component is scrutinized to ensure nothing is overlooked. We use our data to find the answer. Data is our most powerful tool in this phase. We use special tools to analyze the data. These tools are designed to handle complex datasets and provide clear insights. These tools help us see relationships. They reveal patterns and connections that aren't immediately obvious. We can see what factors are most important. By understanding these factors, we can prioritize our efforts and address the most critical issues first. This comprehensive analysis ensures that we tackle the root cause effectively and efficiently, leading to better outcomes and improved processes.
Section 5. Improve. This is a crucial step in our journey towards excellence. The next step is improve. We must work together as a cohesive unit to identify areas that need enhancement. We need to find solutions to the problem. This involves a thorough analysis of the data we have collected. How can we reduce static on the phones? This is a question that requires innovative thinking and technical expertise. Maybe we need to replace old equipment. Upgrading our tools and technology can often lead to significant improvements. Or maybe we need to train our staff. Investing in our team's skills and knowledge is equally important. We test different solutions to see what works best. Experimentation and trial are key components of the improvement process. We make changes based on our analysis. Data-driven decisions help us to implement the most effective strategies. We want to find the most effective solutions. Collaboration and brainstorming sessions are essential to uncovering the best ideas. We keep track of the results to see if we are improving. Continuous monitoring allows us to measure our progress and make necessary adjustments. Celebrating our successes is also important. Recognizing and rewarding improvements motivates the team to strive for even greater achievements. Finally, we plan for future improvements. The journey of improvement is ongoing, and we must always look ahead to the next challenge. Section 6. Control. The final step is control. We need to make sure the problem stays fixed. How can we prevent static from coming back? We might create new procedures, or we might implement new technology. We want to make sure the improvements last. We monitor the process regularly. We make sure the solutions are still working. We want to maintain the high quality we have achieved.